Alright, it's for all the marbles. Just put the whole extension case back together. Turns out I put it back together wrong when I replaced the water pump. So, let's see if she pees. She's peeing like a caffeinated diabetic. She just ran out of water, that's all it was. There we go. She's thirsty. Yeah, I've had her disconnected from, the fuel tank for like a full 90 seconds now. She's just a-going. I keep revving her up and she's just sipping on that fuel. Oh, out of water. Anyway, like I was saying, she's just sipping on that fuel. I mean, she's been going for like 2 minutes now off of just what's in the bowl and the fuel lines. It's kind of crazy. I was just trying to run her dry so I could stick her over there on the stand. Yeah. I don't know what she's running on now. Maybe she's nuclear powered.